How to add Starbucks points from receipt. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Starbucks application on your device and tap on your profile icon on the right side of your screen. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the help option you see there. You will then see a search bar. Tap on that and search for Starbucks points. Make sure to search for all results. Now scroll down and you will see various ways of contacting Starbucks support team. You can chat with them, you can make a call, or you can send them a message. Simply choose the best suited option for you on how you would like to contact Starbucks and further report them your issue about adding Starbucks point from receipt. And as of now, this is the only way on how you can add Starbucks points from receipt. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end. See you on the next one.